Hi guys, first of all I welcome you to my channel HP Study Expert. This time I have brought a new series for you in which we will discuss one topic in 3 minutes and all exam centric points of this topic will be discussed. So that you don't have to make a separate or another effort for that. Another reason behind starting this series is that it will not take much of your time and in less than 3 minutes you will acquire important knowledge and which is fruitful for your preparation. So let's not delay, let's start the topic. So today our topic is state bird of Himachal Pradesh, which is known as Jujurana or Jajurana in the vicinity of Himachal Pradesh. As you know, before Western Tragopan, the state bird of Himachal Pradesh is Monal, and the scientific name of Western Tragopan is Tragopan melanocephalus, and it is the state bird of Himachal Pradesh. As you see in the pictures, the family of Western Tragopan, the male and the female in the picture, replacing the Himalayan monal as the state bird of Himachal, and also called as the Jujurana. The meaning of Jajurana or the literal meaning of Jajurana is king of birds. So Jajurana is like a lion in the forest because its literal meaning of its name and the literal meaning of its name is king of birds. So let's start the third state wildlife board meeting, which is organized in 2007. This meeting decided to crown Western Tragopan melanocephalus, which is locally known as Jujurana, as the state bird of Himachal Pradesh by dethroning Monal from its exalted position. But you know, Monal is another beautiful word. It is also an Himalayan word, and it is the state word of Uttarakhand and also the national word of Nepal. It is called Pyara in Kinnaur. I am talking about the Western Tragopan. So Western Tragopan is called Pyara in Kinnaur and Jabji in Bushehr, Fulgar in Chamba and Kangra districts. The Western Tragopan captivates your attention with its beauty and crimson neckline. So when you see Western Tragopan, you can easily differentiate the male and the female. As you know, the male of Western Tragopan is very much beautiful than a female of a Western Tragopan. And it is a highly endangered species. Western Tragopan is a scheduled bird according to Wildlife Sanctuary Protection Act 1972 and also classified as vulnerable by the IUCN. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It is established in 1948 and it also established the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species in 1964, which also play an important role to identify the endangered species in the world. Sarahan Pheasantry had been started in 1992, which is the only place in the world to hold Western Tragopan in captivity. So Sarahan Pheasantry is famous for the reproductions or breeding of this Western Tragopan. Sarahan Pheasantry is located in Shimla districts, somewhere near about Rampur. It inhabits upper temperate forest between 2400 and 3600 meter in summer, and in winter dense coniferous and broad-leaved forest between 2000 and 2800 meter elevations. So this is our first video of series one topic in 3 minutes. If you like the video, then press like button, and those who do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.